Hello everybody, this video is going to very quickly show you how to access the Open Textbook Library using our Primo catalog. So it's super easy. Pascal has set up a way in which you can now search for any of the Open Education Resource textbooks within the Open Textbook Library from our catalog. So it makes it super easy. There is a lot of digging you have to do once you get in there. But it will at least give you a full list and full access directly to all of the textbooks within that network. So that way you don't have to go to another website outside of this to find them. All you have to do is just go to our Primo Discovery catalog here, and just go to the search bar, type in Open Textbook Library, search, and there you go. That's all you have to do. And then what you'll see is you will actually see every one of them will be underlined with Open Textbook Library, so you know that is where these sources are coming from. Again, they are all available online. And if you want to access one of them, all you have to do is just click the title there. It will bring you to the record page here. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to look under here for View Online, Full Text Availability. There will be a link. Just click that link, and it will take you to the textbook. And then once you're here, you can look at the different formats online, PDF, ebook. You have all of your contents over there, and reviews and any other information you might want to look at. But that's it. Super easy, super efficient, and now you have direct access to all of the Open Textbook Library resources within one simple search in our catalog. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.